Satiety tricks. Part 3. Once again, a satiety question for you. Which of the following food will keep you full the longest? A. 100 grams of chicken. B. 100 grams of potato. C. 100 grams of white rice. Or D. All seems same. The correct answer is 100 grams chicken. Even though the weight is the same, these foods have different levels of carbs, protein, and fats. The one which affects the satiety most is the protein. Protein takes longer to digest, and that means a high protein means higher level of satiety, and you will feel full longer. The third satiety trick is to go pro-protein. So does that mean you have to eat only egg whites the whole day? Not at all. Let's check 3 principles of a good diet you remember, don't you? One is variety, and second is moderation, which is the third one. Is it A, balance, B, carb-free, or C, bland? The answer is balance. One way of balancing the diet is by regulating the calorie source. A normal recommendation is 50% of energy from carb, 25% from protein, and 25% from fats. Understood? Maybe not that well. Don't worry. You will be crystal clear as we progress to the next milestone in a couple of days.